Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ang and I make cleaning, cooking, and random lifestyle videos here on my channel. My purpose is to help motivate and give you inspiration around the home. Today is going to be a fall cleaning motivation where I tackle just a little bit of everything, and at the end I'll be sharing a delicious red beans and rice recipe that I made in the Instant Pot. If you're ready to get things done around the home, let's get started. I usually like to start the day off in the kitchen. There's always dishes to put away or wash, so that's what I like to do. It also helps to clear off the counter space and the stovetop so that they're clear and ready to go again. As a side note to those of you who regularly watch my videos, first and foremost, I like to say thank you so much. No words will ever express my appreciation for your support. Some of you have noticed my absence, and a large reason is that I've started working outside the home, so that has been taking a lot of time away from doing all the YouTube things, but I've been trying to get back into the flow of things, and with the holidays coming up, I think that is when I make some of my best videos. I've got a Thanksgiving food prep in the works. In fact, I just bought the turkey on November 1st and it's thawing right now, so I'm super excited to be making a turkey for the first time on my own. So make sure you stay tuned for that one. Since I'm going to need a lot of space for my Thanksgiving meal prep, I'm going to make sure that my fridge is clean and using up or throwing out anything that'll spoil soon. I'm also going to stop buying extra unnecessary things like juice that would otherwise take up a lot of space, and instead of buying a large gallon jug of milk, I'll stick with the half gallon. Also, as you can see, my fridge is really small and I need to make as much room as I can. Right here I'm separating the string cheese and putting it in this basket so it'll be easier to grab and go. I find it annoying to reach into the bag and tearing one off, so I've always done it this way. It's just the little things in life. Moving on to the living room, I rarely vacuum the couch because we don't eat on it or spend too much time here, but it was starting to accumulate a lot of dust and the dog had jumped on it, so I had to clean it up right away. And don't judge my sad photo ledge up there. I'm still on the lookout for the perfect artwork and family photo to go up there. I think I'll make it a mission so it'll be ready for Christmas. This year I didn't do a fall decor video, so everything is just super minimal, but if you're interested in last year's, I'll link it at the end of this video and in the description. I made the book stack and it says all of our names. I'll also link my tutorial for that. They're super simple and inexpensive to make and would be an amazing gift idea. The windows on the balcony were so dirty and I've been putting them off the entire summer because it's so humid out and I try to minimize my time outdoors as much as possible. So it finally cooled down one day and it was my opportunity to finally wipe them down. I first sprayed the glass down with some plain water and use a squeegee to remove all the grime. Then I'll come in with my favorite glass cleaner from Method and wipe it all down with a paper towel. I didn't clean the lower half of the window because the screens are so hard to remove and you can't tell the window is dirty anyways because of the screen in place, so that will probably have to wait until the next time around. When you guys clean the bathroom, do you clean the entire bathroom including the tub or do you split it up? It's extremely rare that I'll clean the entire bathroom on the same day. I'll clean the counter area and toilet on the same day and then the tub on another. It is now time to take out the trash. We have valet trash here, so everything, literally everything, because I'm embarrassed to say that recycling isn't a thing here, has to go into this tote and put outside and somebody comes by and picks it up. The final and last thing to do is vacuuming and mopping. Mopping is definitely one of my least favorite cleaning tasks to do, especially when using the steam mop because you'll see that I struggle with the cord. I'm so used to a cordless vacuum that when I use the steam mop, I just don't know what to do with myself. This is the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop. I'm filling the reservoir with water, then adding a few drops of essential oil. I love how good my house smells after a good mop. We are at the end of the cleaning portion of this video. Please stick around if you'd like to see how I make my red beans and rice in the Instant Pot. This recipe is so easy and budget friendly. For the red beans and rice, you're going to need ham hocks, andouille sausage or kielbasa. Any good tasting sausage will actually work out best. Oregano, paprika, chicken stock or broth, 2 14-ounce cans of red kidney beans, any kind of cooking oil, an onion, usually a green bell pepper, but this orange one is what I had, garlic, celery, and soy sauce as an option. I've already minced 4 cloves of garlic and now dicing up the onion, about 4 stalks of celery, and the bell pepper. I don't have any solid measurements but will list the approximations of each ingredient in the description. You can always adjust everything to your liking. While I'm dicing up everything, I turn it onto the saute function, and once hot appears on the display, I add in some oil to brown up the sausage. Once the sausage starts to brown, add in the vegetables and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the garlic, beans, oregano, and paprika and give it a good stir. I've created a little well here so that the ham hocks can sit on the very bottom. If the ham hock is large, cut it up into smaller pieces because it will cook faster and need to be submerged in the liquid. I added about 2/3 of the container of broth, making sure that the ham hocks were submerged in the liquid. Pressure cook on high for 18 to 20 minutes, then let it naturally release for 15 minutes. Carefully remove the ham hock and shred it. While you're shredding the meat, put the pot back on saute mode and stir occasionally for about 10 minutes so that the beans start to thicken up. Add the shredded ham hock back into the pot and saute until desired thickness. It will appear to be watery at first, but it will eventually thicken up. I like to serve my beans on top of some jasmine rice, and even some collard greens on the side would be tasty as well. As a side note, make sure you taste it before adding any additional salt or soy sauce. Let me know if you guys are going to give this recipe a try. I hope that you got some cleaning motivation and a meal idea for your family. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I'll see you in my next one.